welcome back to my channel, Teaching According to Tish. Tish here, and for today's video, I'm giving you something special. I am sharing with you some teacher essential wardrobe pieces. So I'm going to be sharing 5 different outfits with you guys, from dressy to casual, just depends on your teaching style and what day of the week it is. The best part about all of these items, you can take them and mix them up to create different outfits. On a teacher salary, that is key to make sure that you have those essential wardrobe items that you can mix and mingle and get the most bang for your buck. So the items that I'm sharing with you guys are essential pieces that will last you for years. So even though some of my items are specific colors, the key is to just look at the basic item, not the color, but just the item piece, and find them in your closet and go ahead and make those outfits. Again, most of these items can be mixed and matched to create additional outfits. That way you're getting the most bang for your buck. So most of these items are bargain pieces that I was able to find at Old Navy, Express on sale, Target, H&M. And some of these items are items that I have had in my closet because, like I said, they are essential pieces. The only reason why I bought new items is just because I wanted to have different colors and variations to share with you guys. And some of the items I recently got rid of as I went and purged my closet, so I needed to get some new items to replace those. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video. Hope you enjoy this. Make sure that you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment. Alright, first up we have the basic little black dress. This is a casual dress, and you can have casual or semi dress up, and this is something that you will be able to wear for years and for all seasons. So for this one, I have it styled with leopard prints, shoes, belt, and earrings, as well as with a gold necklace and a denim jacket, just to keep it casual and to give yourself those layers. And this is a dress that you can wear with a cardigan, as well as a different type of jacket or a vest or blazer, whatever you want to do to dress it up or dress it down. And also with different shoes, you can even get away with wearing some sneakers with this as well. So little black dress, great dress to have in your closet. All right, next we have printed slacks. So these pants are a striped print and they're multicolored. I love stripes, but whatever fun print you want to add to your wardrobe, add them in a pair of nice fitting pants. I paired these pants with a chambray top because you know that you can't get enough of your chambray tops. They go with just about everything. Skinny jeans, skirts, wear them over dresses. Chambray tops are essential. And then I have it paired with a beige cardigan and matching beige shoes. So again, mix and match with the different colors that you have in your wardrobe, but cardigan, chambray, and a printed pair of pants are key. All right, next we have our basic chino pants. Instead of getting khaki, I decided to jazz it up a bit and get a nice dusty rose color pink. Add these along with a nice striped shirt and denim jacket, key items in a teacher wardrobe. Add some cute black shoes to go with them. I'm wearing some black ballet flats, and these are items that you can wear year-round, no matter the season, and they are perfect to have in your wardrobe. Up next, I have the cute little black pencil skirt that everyone should have, no matter what your profession is. I have paired this with a cute, nice, chunky sweater that is a lightweight sweater that you can wear in the spring as well as the beginning of the school year when it's still warm. Wear it in the wintertime with a shirt underneath or add some layers. And then I have it with some cute pink booties. And again, booties are great for fall, winter, and the beginning of spring. So this outfit will last you year round. Just change up the shoes if you want. Add a jacket, change the shirt. Black skirt will look great with that chambray top as well. So great items that you can have in your closet that will go a long way. I love that this skirt has pockets, so you get the business and the casual comfort all in one. Definitely a must-have. All right, and last we have our denim outfit for our casual Fridays, or if you get to wear jeans every day, a nice clean pair of blue jeans. I paired these jeans with a nice twill moto jacket as well as a printed shirt. So the shirt is a nice muted leopard print that you can wear with any of the bottoms that I have worn today, as well as some nice slide-on comfortable shoes that match the jacket. So perfect outfit for a casual Friday. Thanks again for joining me in today's video, guys. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. And follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.